Today, I want to talk about a disease that almost every family has heard of: Alzheimer's disease. Have you ever seen someone slowly forget the names of their loved ones, forget familiar places, or even fail to recognize their own family? That is Alzheimer's disease. Scientists have discovered that two abnormal proteins gradually build up. The first is called amyloid beta, which forms sticky plaque between brain cells. And the second is called tau, which forms tangles inside brain cells. And together, these proteins damage and eventually destroy brain cells, leading to Alzheimer's disease. Now, the question is, can unhealthy gums increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease? To investigate this question, researchers searched about 2,000 scientific studies. After applying strict scientific criteria, only 17 high quality studies were included in the systematic review. अब सिस्टमैटिक रिव्यू क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि साइंटिस्ट ने उस विषय पर जितनी भी उपलब्ध ट्रस्टवर्दी रिसर्च है उसका निष्पक्ष विश्लेषण किया है। और अल्जाइमर्स के केस में साइंटिस्ट कहते हैं कि मसूड़ों की बीमारी यानी गम्स डिजीज और अल्जाइमर्स के बीच एक कनेक्शन है जो भी पूरी तरह सिद्ध नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन वैज्ञानिक लगातार इसकी जांच कर रहे हैं। ये रिव्यू एक पॉसिबल बायोलॉजिकल पाथवे कनेक्शन बताता है ओरल हेल्थ और अल्जाइमर्स डिजीज के बीच में। फर्स्ट पाथवे, scientists found that harmful bacteria associated with gum disease may enter the bloodstream. Some studies have even detected bacterial components associated with periodontal disease, जिसको हम आम भाषा में पायरिया कहते हैं, in the brains of people with Alzheimer's disease. So it suggests a possible biological pathway connection. Second pathway, chronic inflammation. This happens to be the most important pathway. Long-standing gum disease keeps the immune system continuously active. Scientists believe this chronic inflammation may also affect the brain. This is called neuroinflammation. आप इसको इस तरह से समझिए, एक घर में अगर एक दो दीमक दिख जाए तो शायद कोई ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देगा, लेकिन अगर सालों तक उनका इलाज ना किया जाए तो धीरे धीरे पूरा फर्नीचर और घर की मजबूती प्रभावित होने लगती है। ठीक इसी तरह अगर मसूड़े में संक्रमण लंबे समय तक बना रहे तो शरीर लगातार उससे लड़ता रहता है। लगातार बनी रहने वाली इन्फ्लेमेशन केवल मुंह तक सीमित नहीं रहती, बल्कि शरीर के दूसरों अंगों और संभवतः मस्तिष्क तक को भी प्रभावित कर सकती है। अब थर्ड वे है, दैट इज जेनेटिक्स. Some person inherit a gene called APOE4, which already increases the risk of Alzheimer's disease. In animal studies, researchers even found the DNA of a common gum bacterium, that is P. gingivalis, in the brains of infected mice carrying this gene. This is an important clue, but more human research is needed before any firm conclusions can be drawn. And the fourth pathway is amyloid beta. Remember the amyloid beta protein I mentioned at the beginning? Some studies suggest that severe gum disease may be associated with higher levels of amyloid beta, the protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Scientists are still studying exactly how this happens. So what can we do today? The advice is simple. Brush twice a day, treat gum disease early, exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, sleep well, keep your brain active, stay socially connected. These habits are already known to improve your overall health. And if future research confirms that good oral health also helps protect the brain, then every time you brush your teeth, you won't just be protecting your smile, you will be protecting your future health.